Okay, guys. Hello. Welcome to our live trading session. Hopefully, everything's gonna work now. I think we had some internet connections issues in the morning, but it should be all good now. So, guys, please let me know if you can hear me well, if you can see me, so we can start our live trading session. Uh, on today's session, we're gonna focus on price action strategy which works best during US session. So hopefully we're gonna be able to find some opportunities on the market. So we will check probably for different assets, gold, uh, crude oil, Euro USD, and maybe US 500 or Dow Jones. We will see. In the morning, we had morning session, of course. I've opened the trade. I told you is very risky trade. So I lower my risk by more than half. So my risk was like 0.25% what I normally risk. And that trade finished with stop loss. That's okay. I understand that. I don't worry too much because it happens sometimes. I knew it was a risky trade, so I knew what was the risk. That's why I lower my risk. But I want to show you that because I told you I want everything transparent for you so you can see close position. We got Euro USD minus $616. Okay, it happens. I knew it's risky, so uh, that's okay. We're gonna move forward because my normal risk is around $2,000 per trade with risk to reward 1 to 2. So if we're gonna find nice trades, we should make around $4,000 in profit on one trade. So don't worry, nothing happened. Small loss. Let's move forward. Another session, new opportunities. So let's see what's going on the charts. Before we do that, we need to check macroeconomic calendar and see if there is anything important we should look at, or maybe is quiet and we can look for some nice setups. Okay, let me just open calendar. Forex Factory can be good. Investing.com is good, but too many advertisement. So today is the 12th of November, and like you can see, nothing special going on today. No high impact news. Usually they are marked as red. Today, only low impact news. Some FOC member speaks, but we shouldn't worry too much about that. Low risk. So you don't have to worry about your trading during founded accounts because nothing important in calendar today. All right, guys, so let's move to trading view. And let's start from futures contract. GC, this is gold futures contract. We are on 5 minutes time frame, okay? So first of all, in this strategy, or before we start, let me just put in daily journal, in my journal, that we hit stop loss. Where is the trade? Here. Yes. Okay, so we know what's going on because we're gonna review the whole week on Friday. So we're gonna go through trading journal and we will see what uh, maybe what I did wrong, maybe what could we do better, or maybe what we did right. So we're gonna check that by the end of the week. At this moment, I know this trade finished with loss, so that's okay. USD CAD, that was planned from morning session. Look at this trade. Okay, so let me just show you on the chart. Let's go to this account and look at this. That was planned from morning. So I told you we are waiting for the breakout. So if I see reaction and breakout through a resistance line, I will wait for retest and signal candle to enter the position. All right. So look what happened. This is the same situation. We got breakout, retest, and signal candle over here. So right here, you could open the position. I couldn't open because I couldn't watch the charts. I had a meeting, so unfortunately, I wasn't able to open this trade. Okay, uh, I cannot catch everything, but here there was opportunity. Our plan worked perfectly. So here, opportunity to open the trade with risk to reward 1 to 2. Target was our target from all-in ASAP strategy. But now they came back to this area, so probably break even, or sometimes I close position a little bit earlier to secure profit or take half profit. But I couldn't watch this trade. Unfortunately, I had meeting, like I said, but the plan worked perfectly. Okay, we can add description to it. The only is that the price reversed just. Okay, I want this information. Save this for later. Okay, so I know I didn't open this trade. Okay, now we can move to trading view and let's have a look at gold. We're gonna use price action strategy. So I'm on 5 minutes time frame. Maybe we're gonna switch to 3 minutes time frame. We will see how the micro rotation is working today. So basically, we need to check first of all. We are looking at current day. Okay, so this is current day. The day started over here, and of course, we can mark open of the day. It might be important for us. So let's mark open of the day. I'm not sure if we're gonna need that, but it's good to know where is open of the day. Especially on crude oil, open of the day is reacting very nice. So let's check what happened during Asian session. Okay, what can you see over here? I'm not talking the whole day. What can you see over here? Was it range or was it trend? So the price was moving in the range or in the trend. What do you think, guys? I'm pretty sure we can see trend over here. Probably we can find some rotation channel. Sorry. Probably we can find some rotation channel. Okay, let's leave it like this. The price was moving for sure. First, they went up, then we were moving down. Okay, so something basically changed over here because we can check the first leg of this impulse here. So starting from here, we got first leg. Okay, first leg. We got second leg. And this is gonna be third leg. Why? Because we got reaction at measure move 100. So the price came back a little bit, and I can say that three leg measure move is done. So if we can see that three leg measure move is done, we can start thinking about reversal. Okay, maybe market will change its direction. So over here, we can see the first impulse. This one here started. I think we can measure it from the beginning. Why not? From here, it will be okay, but I want to check how it's working. So the bottom, the top. Okay, level 100. No, I think this is gonna be better. So this is our measure move. And we can see nice reaction at measure move, the second leg, okay? So this is our first leg. This is our second leg. And what can we do now? We can look for some opportunity to go up for third leg measure move. Okay, but first of all, we need to try to find the pullback zone. Second leg done over here. So we can measure whole impulse from here to here. So this is the lowest, this is the highest point. So I measured this impulse and we got pullback zone over here. The pullback zone is in some kind of range zone, support resistance zone also. So this is the pullback zone. Okay. And if we look on the left hand side, this also is some kind of support zone. All right. And it's on the open of the day, which is good. Another thing, we need to check which rotation are we in. So we can start from the beginning of the day. I usually, when I look at the chart, I know in which rotation are we, but let's do it properly. Let's start from the beginning of the day. So I'm gonna remove that. Okay, so basically we had bullish rotation over here. Then we had bearish rotation. Bullish one over here. Bearish one is right here. Another bullish. Maybe here. I don't like this week. We will see. We got for sure rotation over here. We will see. I want to check micro rotation. So we can expect bullish rotation. It's hard to find rotation channel. Maybe we can do it from the top. Maybe something like this. Why not? The top is okay. The bottom, this could be better, but we started from the top, so let's leave it. Okay. So our third leg measure move, if we're gonna stop right here, our third leg measure move will be over here. Measure move, third leg. Okay, if the price will stop here. So basically, the bearish rotation is confirmed. So all we need to look for now is bullish rotation. The best if we're gonna break through, bounce from this pullback zone, support resistance zone, wait for correction, signal candle, and we're gonna try to get to measure move third leg. But if we're gonna be able to open position here, probably we need to secure the trade after 1 to 1 at this high. Probably we will see. So we don't need too much over here. This setup is pretty, I would say, simple. We just need the right reaction of buyers. And that's it. And we're going to try to get to measure move third leg. Of course, we need to look at our exponential moving average because we are using this exponential moving average to make decision if we want to open the trade or not. So we need to get to the other side of exponential moving average. That's for sure. At this moment, slowly. There is a chance that we're going to break through and maybe we're going to drop down. Okay? Maybe. We don't know that yet. We are waiting for specific situation. And if that's going to happen, we're going to open position. Okay? So slowly, probably. But gold might be nice. Might be nice. We just need to wait for the right reaction. If we're gonna break through and the price will close under the pullback zone, forget about it. Okay. So the price needs to hold on here. We can break through, but the body of the candle cannot close underneath. Yeah, I'm gonna put that in trading journal. Okay. Trading journal, price action cycle strategy. Today is the 12th of November, and we are on gold. Gold futures contract. Come back. It's support. The candle can't close under the full. So F two. Okay, let me just put screenshots. All right, so this is 2 and this is 19. Good. So we know what to do, we know what to expect, just need some time. And we got reaction. Now, maybe we're gonna open trade in the second, guys. Let me just get prepared. Get prepared. Where is gold? Let me just check something. Maybe we're gonna be able to open it a little bit earlier. I know I shouldn't check this footprint on this session. It's looking good, I would say. Buyers coming into the market. Good. That's what we want to see. Pretty awesome, but we need to wait. I cannot open the position now. We need to wait for the breakout, retest, and then we want to go up. Okay, so take it easy, slowly. We're gonna get there. Sometimes on gold, we are waiting for, impulse correction to enter the position, but on gold, sometimes they're going just straight up. We will see. Nice reaction. This candle is pretty good. Reaction at our pullback zone, open of the day, and support resistance zone, which is also good. So few pips to get. Yeah. Okay, let's leave 3 minutes time frame. Let's see what's going on. But this is getting interesting. Let me know, guys, if you like gold. Do you like trading on gold? Let me know. Yes. So this is gold futures contracts. No, not yet. Okay. GC. We can check crude oil. We can check crude oil also. Crude oil today, the situation is interesting. Interesting because if we look at the beginning of the day, the Asian session, we can see that the price was dropping down. So we were moving in a trend. So all day, basically, the price is moving down. So we can't consider range day because we are dropping down. So it might be better for us to look for continuation, maybe. Maybe. We will see, but we need to know where we at, okay? So we need to measure if we got 3 legs measure move. Okay, if I'm gonna measure this impulse here, yes, we got 1, 2, 3 legs measure move. Okay, probably yes. But that was in the morning. Mm, That was in the morning, 6. Let me check this area over here. No. No, no, no. Probably I would wait for reversal because I think 3 leg measure move is already done because we can count this probably. I know this reaction is quite small. They stopped at exponential moving average. So okay, we go to first leg. Let's check. First leg, second leg. Mhm. Reaction at measure move, and we got third leg. The 3 legs are done. Basically, we done even more. So we can probably expect reversal. Let me just check 1 hour time frame. Yes, also this area from different strategy probably is quite interesting. So maybe we are able to look for some reversal, but first we need to see strong impulse going up. Okay, the break, at least we need to see the break of structure, strong impulse, and then we can consider opposite direction, but not at this moment. The price is still dropping down. So I don't want to open position because I can see the price is going down all day. So let them finish this, I would say, impulse, but a few impulses already. So let them finish this run and we're going to wait for some kind of reversal. It's still early because it's 2:30, my local time, UTC plus 2. Anna, yes, gold is fine. I'm looking at USD CAD for the range comeback trade. Okay, we can check that in a second. But crude oil, to be honest, at this moment, I cannot see nothing interesting using price action cycle strategy. Probably we need to wait another hour, maybe hour and a half for reversal, and then we're gonna try to go up. But at this moment, let's leave it. For me, it's not interesting. I prefer gold. Gold is working much better. 3 minutes. Okay. Let's wait. All right. So GBP. Anna said USD CAD. Okay, let's check USD CAD. Come back to the range. Okay, that's fine, but it already happened, Anna, you know? A range comeback, because if you look at this range right here, okay, price already came back into the range. Probably we can set range like this. Nice reactions at the range. Okay, this is our non-trade zone, let's say. We got nice reaction at expansion. One second, I need to move it a little bit. Probably like this. Nice reactions. It was too early anyway, because price went here around 9:40 a.m. So too early for this strategy. But I can see we had rotation, bullish rotation, correction, and probably here there was opportunity to open the trade, but it was too early. It was too early. So now we can see that the price came back into the range. So if we want to use this range, maybe we're gonna have to wait for the price to go to the other side, somewhere around this expansion over here, and then maybe try to go back into the range, but from the other side. This called pendulum swing. If we can spot that, maybe we're gonna be able to use it, but over here we need to wait. We just need to wait, because this side is already like price. They've done what they want to, what they wanted to do. Okay, so for me, nothing special at this moment. Okay, let's have a look at S&P 500. Let me just check gold, because we are reacting. Good, to be honest. Mm, think I can try to open the position now, probably. Okay, price. Come on. We are late already. Percent. 0.1. Probably yes. Let's go 0.2. Bearish rotation. The only thing is, I got problem with rotation here. Probably you got better view on the tick charts. This is 5 minutes time frame, because rotation, bullish rotation. Let me just check bullish rotation. Bearish rotation, bullish rotation. The bearish not done yet. Not yet. Not yet. And this is the area of bottom, I would say. This is bottom of our rotation channel, and the price stopped here and react. So we need to be careful with if we want to open this trade. Bearish rotation. Let them go down a little bit, and we're gonna try to go up like this, okay? But first, strong reaction now of sellers, and then try to go up. We'll see. The moment we stopped at bottom of rotation channel, so they might want to retest it and maybe drop down lower. Okay. So we need to wait. We got plenty of space to third leg measure move. Not yet. Okay, let's go back to US 500 because we still got some time. So today on US 500, the same like on the other ones, I think we are in some kind of trend day. And we can find rotation channel. It's working quite well. Over here, we had the double bottom. Okay, we can mark this as well, body of the candle, but we got double bottom over here and continuation. But let's check this first impulse of the day. And this one here. So the second leg measure move is done. Okay. We nearly got to 138.2, which is also good. There was no reaction at measure move. Now we had correction. It's probably here, nice place to open the trade. Let's check this correction. Full, okay. This correction is quite deep, I would say, because we got to 78.6. Basically, the price stopped somewhere around 61.8, which is good, but the price closed a little bit lower, okay? And we got these wicks over here. Probably we have a chance to open the trade. Once again, I want to check something else. Just put it on the side. It's US 500, right? Okay. US 500. It doesn't look too bad because we had to try pullback. Then we had reaction, double bottom, and they reacted at support zone, which is good. We got beginning of micro rotation, correction, nice candle, could be better, but probably we got a chance to go even higher. But I think this rotation is already done. I don't want to chase the market because we got over here bullish micro rotation and it's confirmed over here. Okay, we got beginning of bearish rotation. So let them just drop down a little bit and we're gonna wait for another bullish rotation. Might be better idea. Maybe we're gonna bounce from this rotation channel. We will see. So maybe here I would open the position, but now it's a little bit different. I can see the market stopped. They are stopped in one place over here. So it's some kind of battle zone. They are fighting buyers and sellers. You can see sellers, buyers, sellers. So I'm not sure if I want to enter the position in this zone over here. So for me, it's gonna be better if I wait for bearish rotation to be confirmed, and then after the best, if we can react over here. This is also nice support to resistance zone. Check this out. So let them come back, and we're gonna see. Maybe this place gonna be better. So no rush. Over here, I don't want to join this fight yet. Okay, probably before. Maybe if we were over here somewhere, maybe I would open position over here. Maybe. Okay, but now I got some more informations and I know that I don't want to enter in this area right here. So let them finish this fight. Let's see what's gonna happen. And then we're gonna try to decide if we're gonna open position or not. Okay, gold, gold. Slowly, very slow at this moment. Gold. I want to check something. Okay, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Mhm. Gold still not, I'm not ready for gold yet. Not yet. We might have situation that we're gonna drop down this area here and then we're gonna go up. 50-50. Okay. Let them drop down somewhere to this area and it will be the best if we're gonna see reaction at rotation channel, at the bottom of rotation channel. It will be great. Gold. Maybe yes, maybe no. We will see. It's looking good, but when I'm looking at this setup, I'm not sure. If I'm not sure, I'm not gonna open the position. If I'm gonna see situation like this, that the price will drop maybe to this area, then reaction, retest, maybe I will open the trade. Of course, I can add trend line over here, and this may help me to make this decision. Okay. So let's say the price will drop to here. You're gonna see bullish rotation, retest. In this case, okay, I can open the position, but at this moment, no. So let's wait, see what's gonna happen. Hopefully, we're gonna drop down to here. Another reaction, bullish rotation. This one will be confirmed. from 5 minutes time frame. Let me just open zoom it because it doesn't work. Okay, it's working now. So this rotation will be confirmed when we're gonna get here. Maybe double bottom. Double bottom will be the best situation for me. Double bottom, bullish rotation breaking through trend line over here, retest, and boom. We are ready to go. And my stop loss probably will be somewhere here, around here, a little few pips lower than the retest. Okay. So we will see. We need to wait for this situation. I'm going to put it in the trading journal. Okay, what we got over here? Gold. Gold, 5 minutes time frame. Mm, futures contracts. Is it this one? No, it's not. This Okay, gold. 91. Good. Okay, so I'm waiting for bearish rotation to be confirmed. Rotation to be confirmed. The best if we the best if there will be double bottom, strong reaction, double bottom. Once again, guys. Beginning of bullish micro rotation, breaking through resistance line. Okay. So I got a plan. I need to just wait for it. Okay, futures contract we want to go buy. Okay, let's go back to the charts right here. Still no. Unless we got bearish rotation here. First try, second try of buyers, and we got nice candle, but I don't like this reaction. If we would have another bullish candle, probably this area to enter the position good. But we are reacting bearish now. Let's leave it for now. And US 500, not yet. Not yet. I need to see this rotation to be confirmed. The best if we're going to have reaction here, bullish rotation, and then I will be able to open position, okay? Let me just make a screenshot. We're going to put that in the trading journal. And we're going to wait for those two setups, okay? Gold, we got another one here, US 500. Futures contracts. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. I need to wait for bearish micro rotation. Rest of okay. It's not that hard. 20. Okay. Futures contracts. Buy. So we will see. We need to wait for this situation right here and gold, let them drop down a little bit. And we're going to wait for buyers. And we're going to try to join them. Okay. Gold is slowly going down, I can see, which is good because we expect that. Okay. It's even better because now everyone is thinking we're going to drop down. And if we're going to get here and we're going to have nice reaction, this is going to be a perfect situation for us. Okay. So these two setups, guys, I'm not gonna look for any more. These two are pretty good. We just need to wait for the right moment to enter the position. Be patient, and if I'm gonna open position, of course, I will show you that. Maybe I will post it on Discord. Everything is transparent, like always. So, guys, for this moment, I think we can finish for now. Tomorrow morning, another session. On Friday, I will let you know because I'm not sure if maybe I'm gonna be away on Friday. So I will confirm that if we're gonna have live trading sessions. But tomorrow for sure in the morning and in the afternoon during US session, we're gonna have our live trading session. But for today, that's it, guys. Thank you for being with me, and hopefully you're gonna get some profits and you're gonna finish day with profit. Okay. Thank you, guys, and I will see you tomorrow morning.